My name's Marina Kennerson and I'm a Professor of Neurogenetics and Neurogenomics. And as part of my role, I lead a team of research scientists at the Northcote Neuroscience Laboratory, the ANZAC Research Institute. Here at the ANZAC Research Institute, we want to understand why the nerves that help us to move, which are motor neurons, and the nerves that help us to feel, the sensory neurons, why they undergo neurodegeneration and why they die. And this is important to understand this because there are many diseases of motor neurons and they can range from very chronic disability to actually dying from motor neuron disease. In our lab we have developed an integrated approach where we use genomics and functional genomics and model organisms to try and understand the disease processes. It's important to understand that our neurons, we're born with them and they can't be replaced like other cells that get replaced throughout our lifetime. And so each day I have staff and students who will come in and they will design experiments, and so we use model organisms and the patient's cells themselves to actually view nerves dying, to understand the pathogenic processes and ways that we can work out strategies to develop treatments for these particular diseases. Our research is having great impact because through our gene discoveries, what we're doing is identifying the genes that are causing the disease in our patients, and so this allows them to have some sort of closure. And the other thing that is important is that it provides a target for us to develop therapies. And the fact that we can grow motor neurons of the patients in a dish, then it becomes quite personalised in the way that we can develop these therapies for patients. Very proud of the team. I have a team of very dedicated, talented scientists who really have taken on board the problems that we're trying to deal with, and they work hard and tirelessly to develop methods and experiments that really are, I think, moving our field forward. I think the motivation for me to do this research is really the interactions that I have with everybody who is involved with our research. And this can range from the patients to patient advocacy groups to the staff and the talented staff and students who actually work in my lab, to collaborators and to just the international community that is interested in actually working on this problem. What really motivates me is to nurture those interactions and to continue to build those relationships, because that is really the cornerstone for making sure that the research that we're doing now will go into the future and that we will be able to continue to provide that hope for developing therapies for individuals who suffer from this terrible disease.